Hi brother, I hope you're doing well. Yes, I'm good, thank you. I thought of asking you something. I'm facing a lot of hair fall problems for the past few months. Yes. Can you please suggest me a hair growth serum?
Melatonin Hair Growth Serum restores the natural growth cycle of the hair, resets stress-related hair shedding, delays hair aging, and reverses premature graying. Spray 6 pumps of the night owl melatonin scalp solution to the scalp area with maximum thinning of hair 20 to 30 minutes before your ideal bedtime.
For best result, use Night Owl Hair Growth Serum for 6 to 12 weeks and can be extended for 6 months if needed.